operating in the country since 1996. We have about 5,000 customers in the country, and most of the large state and central government departments are already using our software. Geospatial technology and GIS per se are very, very important today because everything has location. We are dealing with location all the time, and location analytics is becoming very, very important for decision making both in government and private sector. Now, because location intelligence is applicable in every area of economy, it's important for all the students to have at least some knowledge of geospatial before they pass out from the university or colleges. Geographical information system is a very, very simple or easy to use technology today. We as a company work a lot with educational institutes. We are working with schools in promoting GIS at the school level. We have students of 9th standard who are able to make simple maps and tell stories through maps. We call it story maps. And we work with a lot of universities and colleges in terms of skilling people, skilling the students to have some basic knowledge irrespective of whatever discipline they are following. But the major focus comes for the students who are either doing geoinformatics or computer science or civil engineering or environmental sciences. So those are the areas where GIS plays a very big role in their professional life. But even if there's a mechanical engineer or electronics engineer, when they go out and look for a job in either government or private sector, this technology will help them a lot. If you're in a manufacturing organization, you're still dealing with applications like logistics. You're still dealing with your vendors and suppliers and customers, and all of them have location. And it's important to learn that how you can use the data about your suppliers or vendors or customers and do different analytics to make decisions using the GIS technology.